Station fans, today we're gonna go to the old Bukit Timah Railway. So just aligned at King Albert Station. We walk until we reach the railway station. Why am I running? They removes on tracks and keeps on tracks. I walk. It closed in 2011. It closed in 2011. It started maybe in the 19th century. Right, Mom? Walk. It's good for photography and for people that like railways. Some of the rails were actually demolished. That's the old station. They fenced it. I don't know why. Why did they fence it? They fenced it because it's very old. And then I'm doing a slower run. Do you see that picture over there? It kind of looks like it's the real station when the trains were going. I think they're developing it to make it better. That's all for today. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Be brave, stay well. See you on our next adventure.